This recipe is not for all. Few people doesn't like this recipe, but those who like this shutki or sun-dried fish, they go crazy and beyond their limit to have this recipe. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is me. So let's make this dried fish delicacy and make few people happier. Now let's check the ingredients, and ingredients are tomato, turmeric powder, garlic cloves, salt, green chili and dried red chili, onion, and our beautiful anchovies fish, which I have brought them from Sri Lanka as I visited last month. Now let's begin our recipe. Before that, let me show you how to clean this fish. In a pan, add 2 to 3 cups of water, and once the water starts to boil, then add 200 grams of dried fish. Cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a very low flame or until it turns soft. Now on the other side, let us make a paste for this curry. In a mixer grinder, add 2 small tomato. It can be a large one too. Next, add 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Now add 2 to 4 red chili and green chili. This red chili I am using for the color and the green chili for the hotness, though you can adjust the hotness according to your taste bud. Now make a fine paste. No need to add water as I already add tomato in it. So once you are done, keep it on a side for the later part of the recipe. And on the other side, let us check the boiling fish. Next, after 10 to 15 minutes, you will see the fish will look like this. At this point of time, switch off the flame and remove the fish slowly and place them into a strainer. Then rinse your fish off with fresh water to clean them off. Gently rub fish skin to work out dirt that might be stuck under the scale. Shake the excess water off of your fish so there aren't dripping wet. Next, in a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and this recipe requires a lot of oil, so be generous while adding the oil. And after that, once the oil heat up, then add 1 large onion cut into small pieces. Then fry the onion in a medium-high flame until it turns golden brown. Though stir it occasionally. Do you know that adding hot chilies and lot of garlic in this recipe will give you a unique and mind-blowing taste which you will never forget. Now once the onions are done, then add the paste which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. After adding this paste, you also need to add half cup of water into the mixer grinder and wash it properly and add that water too so that nothing go waste. Then stir it well and slowly add all the basic masalas. Over here I am using only salt and turmeric powder. Next add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to your taste bud. Though there is a catch, if you want to add sugar, you can always add sugar to balance the taste. Over here I have not used sugar. Next, stir well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes so the masalas are well coated and give you a great aroma. Last, when the masala's color has been changed to darker side, then add our boiled fish and mix everything well. So the masalas are well coated with the fish, then cover and cook in a very slow flame for around 5 to 6 minutes or until oil start to release from all the sides. As I already informed you that these fishes are brought from Sri Lanka. So I always try to took it out just a little every time to almost last a lifetime. It stayed in a deep freezer just fine and gave me a taste of home now and then. After that, remove the cover and you will see oil has been released from all the sides, and this is the perfect time to switch off the flame, stir well and then serve in a serving plate. I hope today's recipe will be a great choice for you to cook in this weekend, and especially those who love dried fish. Now serve it hot and sprinkle some green chili from above and enjoy this with steamed rice. And hopefully, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So when I upload again a new recipe, you get the notification first. In case if you are looking for some other dried fish recipe, you can check my description box below. So, see you again with another interesting recipe. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you. Bye bye.